The Fox and the Grapes. One hot summer day, a fox was walking through the forest. As he walked, he spotted a bunch of ripe juicy grapes, hanging from a vine. The grapes looked delicious, and the fox's mouth watered just thinking about how sweet they would taste.
I must have those grapes.
The fox said to himself. He jumped up to grab them, but they were too high. The fox tried again, leaping higher this time, but he still couldn't reach them. He backed up, ran, and jumped as high as he could, but the grapes remained just out of his reach. Frustrated and tired, the fox sat down under the vine.
Those grapes are probably sour anyway.
He muttered to himself.
I don't really want them.
And with that, the fox walked away, leaving the grapes hanging on the vine. What's the moral of the story? It's easy to dislike what you cannot have,